A very sunny good morning to you. We're back on the job, guys. I'm going to tackle the front door now. So it's a composite and we're doing the same. We've got brickwork panels each side and then we have got a composite door in the middle. Don't know where that's come about, but we're going to have to try and get it off. Looks a bit ugly.
In the misty bright moonlight I were told, when the storm is raging.
There's a concrete lintel that runs on top of these. Yeah, runs past there. It's like you can see it just lapping in that, which is good news.
And you kept holding my hand as you reached for water.
Food time. Cake time. Got our mix sorted.
Gave you a rose that you kept unseen, kept unseen.
What I've done here, guys, is just centralise the door with the opening. That's the best thing I could do, really. Cake and bruise. Just had a bit of a clean up. Now we're going to get the door in. Here's our comp door. Nice bevel design. It's white on the inside and black on the outside. Hey, get through that service arch, Casey. Give me my pie. Oh, thank you. Looking mighty good. Oh yeah, and I know we have brick on brick there, but I've just started our bond there, so we've got matching nice half bond all the way up. We've had this problem before. If you start working to that bond, then you're going to cause yourself massive problems. Better getting rid of it straight away, and then you're on with half bond. There we are, guys. We're just wrapping up for today. We've got a business meeting on the golf course. Good morning, guys. We're on Wednesday, and we're just going to take out this back door and replace it with a composite door. It's locked, so we're going to have to use some brute force to get it open. You want to tell me what you did on your golf comp yesterday?
Yeah, I had a 5 over.
Yep.
It got me back to 5 handicap.
And you was in the money because?
Yeah, I had a great 2 on the 7th, which was very difficult.
I know.
But I knocked it in and got 15 quid.
Sweet.
Absolutely made up with that one.
Cracks me up really, because the first thing my dad gets out of the van is a dustpan and brush and all the sheets and stuff. But the first thing I get out of the van is the camera stand and the camera. Time to fix it in and finish it off. Here's the door we fitted last year. How good's that? Like a new one.
Fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, definitely.
That's another composite door out of the way. Job's a good one. Back to Joe's job now. We're back at Joe's now just to finish off everything. Need to plaster inside, get the blockwork up and then the window sills, and then we're done. And that board's stuck on now. I've taped it all, the joints, so it's ready for skimming next. Finishing touches now. Casey's trimmed everything up, just sealing it up now.
I'll be straight over after work this done. We can greet the morning light. It started out like a fling, but for me,
Windows sealed up as well.
something else complete.
Casey's been cleaning the glass. As you can tell, it's absolutely, you can't even tell the glass is in. How good's that? It's like a mirror. Here's the previous job we did for Joe. Still looking lovely.
I hope I'm not mistaken or blind, 'cause I can see us having the same last name, our wedding picture in a silver frame. I see all this for us. I'll bring a nice bottle of wine, that Zinfandel you like. We can pour it like there's no tomorrow, no worries or sorrows in the world right now. It started out like a simple thing, but
Right then guys, there we have it. That's the end of the job. Everything's complete now. The door, the window, we've finished all the inside, plastered up. Massive job actually. These jobs, they look small, but there's a lot of work in them, you know what I mean? There's a lot of trades actually. You know, you've got your windows, you've got your brickwork, and then you're plastering and you're dotting, dabbing the boards on and stuff like that. So thank you very much for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like rating. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also check the bell icon so you get notifications when I release a video. Big shout out to Joe, he's really looked after us with cream cakes and brews. Thanks Joe. Jobs are good. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Cheers.